What's up guys, Curtis here. Just wanted to do a quick review video of this Blackburn Switch Multi-Tool. What's unique about this tool is that it comes with an individual handle that you can convert into a T-tool or an L-tool. And this provides two advantages. The first one being you can access tighter spots such as your bottle cage, as I showed you in the clip. And it also provides more leverage so that you can get those bolts tighter to ensure that they don't get loose moving forward on your ride. So the bits included in this kit are 2.5, 3, 4, 5, and 6 millimeter hex tools, as well as Torx T25 and T30, which comes in handy because my SRAM brakes uses these bolts. So one disadvantage of this kit is that it's limited to these bits, but after a year of using this tool, I haven't found it lacking in any of the essential bits that I need when things get loose on my bike. So what keeps it all together is this nylon pouch. It comes with a slot so that you can put your ID as well as your emergency funds in case something goes wrong. Overall, this thing weighs about 100 grams and it's really small, but it packs a big utility, which is something I really appreciate about this. Anyway, that's it for this video. If you like this video, pump that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you at the next one. Peace.